Good morning, my amazing Dbimmer Reliefnett community. It's Wendley here from Dbimmer Reliefnett, and today, we're starting your day with some powerful morning mojo to get your mind buzzing and your heart inspired. Are you ready to turn your biggest dreams into tangible realities? It all starts with one key principle: get clear on your vision. Let's pause for a moment. Focus less on what has been and what is, and instead, open your heart and mind to the endless possibilities of what could be. Your past is your teacher, but your future? That's your masterpiece waiting to be created. As the great Albert Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited to all we now know and understand, while imagination embraces the entire world and all there ever will be to know and understand. So today, I challenge you to dream big. See the life you truly desire, and let your imagination pave the way. Focus on the possibilities, not the limitations. Build your vision with clarity, confidence, and the belief that it's never too late to create something extraordinary. And while you're dreaming big, remember this: just keep moving. Whether it's one small step or a giant leap, keep moving forward. You're not just creating a life, you're building a legacy. If you're ready to take action and need guidance on building your dreams, visit us at dbimmerreliefnett.com. At Dbimmer Reliefnett, we're here to support you every step of the way, helping you achieve health, wealth, and happiness. May you be blessed with all the success your heart desires. And thank you for being a loyal Dbimmer Reliefnett subscriber. Your journey inspires me, and I'd love to hear from you, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have an incredible day ahead, my friends. Keep dreaming, keep moving, and keep building your best life. See you next time.